The greatest thing to do on earth is to pick the right words. There are over 10 billion words on planet Earth. So anytime you open your mouth, choice is being made. Anytime you open your mouth, you are showing a level of wisdom or a level of foolishness. Because for every time you open your mouth to talk, you come under trial. Judgment is placed. Judgment. If you are sleeping now, you have a problem. Judgment is placed in the life of the individual who is talking. Your words are your judgments. Paul said, and I pray for me. Ask God to give me the right words. Can I speak to you? Every word you ever lost, everything you ever lost in life, you lost on the platform of words. Every relationship, be it conventional, covenant, transitional, relational, that you ever lost was on the platform of what you said. Whatever you say, you give yourself advantage or you discredit yourself. You must be trained on how to talk and how to give response.